Hi students, I am Ishwaraj B. Patil. I am working as assistant professor at VNAC College, Sorapur in CS department. Okay, I am handling here microcontroller subject for CS students for semester BCS402. Okay, we have the integrated lab for this one. So we are conducting the integrated lab, and even I developed created some lab programs. Okay, this is the starting. Okay, I am introducing some basic programs in the Kill software using the arithmetical logical instructions, and even will be doing the some programs which are how to registers will holding that value data will be seeing here. Even the thing is that here we have to installing the some skill software 4.2 version for the this semester 80 BCS 402 subject purpose, and even I am using the LPS 2148 as the microcontroller unit family unit here I am using. So I have to create a and even develop a program for that particular. So in the I am using the Keel 4.2 version of tool, and also Keel and also ARM7 as the family. I am using here what arithmetical logical units, okay, which belongs to the second module here. So let me see how to do the write a program here for the addition of two decimal numbers, and also transferring that result to the in other registers. Okay, here that we have been considering the two registers R0 and R1, and also which will be holding the some values, decimal values, that has to be added together. That result is stored in the another register. How to do it? We'll see the small simple program I'll be executing using the Keel 4.2 version of tool. Okay, let me see it. Let me explain each and every in by step in that tool itself. Okay. This first experiment using a Keel software, observe the various registers, dump the cpsr current program status register with a simple assembly language program, ALP, we call it ALP. I am using the area for defining the complete project, and program name, it's whatever the name, it can be any name. Code read only, we will be writing about some code which will be read only for the executing purpose. And also I am moving, okay, cropping the data transfer from the one register to another register. I am using the move instruction here, holding the 10 decimal value in the register R1, and also 5 value in the R2 registers, and addition of this R1 and R2, storing it into the R3 registers. They are not mentioned here. Let me write in the kill tool only how we will get the result. Let me see it. Okay, one by one we will see. First I will be opening the kill tool. Let's see how. Here I have the kill tool shortcut I made on the desktop itself, EV macro version 4 only. Okay, this is used. This was one of the editor as Eclipse, and some other tools are there. This is also one of the editor for the addition some ALP programs, means some language programming will do it. Microcontroller programs we are doing, ARM control programs we are doing. Okay, this is our old project we have it. Let me close it. Okay, go to project window. There you will be finding the close project here. Okay, close it, older one. After closing this one, we will be having the new complete new fresh. Okay, this is the project window, this is the editor window. So that we will be creating the one project here. So go to project. So here go to project there. Okay, new microvision project. Okay, new project, microvision project. Okay, thereafter you can create any. Yeah, I can give the any name here. So I can give the project name, can be anything. Okay, it's a folder name, that's it. I'm giving the Raj Shekhar. Okay, I can give any name here instead of having the human names, not a personal name. You can give any name as Ray Logics. I'm giving the Logics. Ray Logics. Okay, some folder name itself. Okay, it has the extension of as the EV project, means micro vision projects. U means what? Micro ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಇಮ್ಯೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಎಮ್ ಯು ಬದಲಿ ಯು ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ micro vision projects. It will take automatically folder extension, don't worry, save it. Okay, save it. Okay, I made the microcontroller practice folder. There you have to practice the swimming all your projects here. Okay, save it. Okay, click on save. So you'll be asking the what is the vendor, device and tool set. Here I am using the what kind of project here, ARM control only with the NXP family with the LPS 2148. LPS 2148 family of the vendor I am using here. LPC 2148. Okay, LPC means low pin circuit. Okay, low pin circuit that we have seen in the folder. Okay, that's nothing but the other with the one of the family in the NXP companies who are creating the vendor of the microcontroller of okay, microcontroller. That's nothing the ARM controller 7 ARM 7. They are building the so many ICs. Okay, so I am selecting this one. We have the this kind of ARM 7 TDS. We have the description complete what kind of LPC 2148 family having the this kind of it's a 32-bit ಅದ, ಇದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಅದ, ಇದು 2148 ಆನ್ ಚಿಪ್ ಅದ, ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಾಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. SP ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ, ಇದು 2 I2C ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ 32-bit ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಚ್ ಟೈಮರ್ ಅದ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದು LPC 2148 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಏನೇನದ ಅಂತ. Click on OK. Don't worry, click on OK. Click on OK. It's asking, okay, one of the pop-up window it's throwing. Here you can observe here, copy startups, okay, to the project folder and add file to the project. It is asking, okay, we are not connecting to any peripheral devices. Okay, just you click on no itself. Okay, if you are connecting to any other peripheral devices like sensors and all some other devices, then you can LED blinking and all. In the we'll be seeing all kind of projects in the last 8, 9, 10, 11 experiments we can observe there. We'll be using this particular S only, but you are not necessary to have it, so that click on no button. Okay, click on no itself. Okay, it is going. Here we have created the one target here. Just look at here on the left side of the project window. There we have the plus sign. You just click on that. We don't have any files here, so that you create one file here. File name would be any. Okay, create a file new, but you write something here. Okay, you write your program. Okay, you can write program like something area. Just I'm copying here area multiplication. Okay, multiplication instead of multiplication you can give addition. Add you can give any name here, not necessary to have it any particular only. Okay, Eddie. Okay, I'm giving the Eddie. Okay, Eddie and multi-code. Okay, this is the code only, read only. It's only executing the code by the what ARM processor. It's a LPC 2148. It will not make any changes there. Entry is the entering. These are the two compulsory are entry and the end. Okay, in between that we are copying. Okay, we are copying. Move instruction with what it will do, it will fetch the data from data or instruction. Okay, it will fetch the data from the memory or into the what register. Here we have the memory value of decimal value of 10, which will be copied to where the register R1, and also which we have in the 5, which will be copied to where in the register R2. These two registers having holding these two values, as R1 is holding value as what 10, R2 is holding value as what 5. 10 plus 5 is what 15. It is in the form of, that's nothing but the 0, 1, 2, 8, 3, 5, 6, 7 like this. We'll be having what value 5. There we will be getting what 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 8, 9 we have the values there. After 10 we have the A, 11, B, C as the 12, D as what 13, 14 as what A as what 10, B as 11, C is what 12, D is what 13, E is what 14, 15 is what F. Okay, we'll see here. I have to get the values as 15. Okay, F as there. So the addition of these two R1 and R2, which will be resulted to store where in the register R3. We have discussed in this kind of instructions, all these things in the regular classes, theory classes. So we are implementing that kind of concepts in the program project in the lab. So I have taken this very simple program, okay, to transfer the register to register in the current program status registers, and also which will be holding the result in the some other destination registers. We have shown this kind of explanation in the data flow model for the microcontroller. We have seen it. Okay, let me see it and explain. Okay, we have typed something, just to clear save it is. Okay, save as it, save as what you are going to save here, something, whatever the addition of ad, okay, ad, okay, okay, ad, it will take automatically as .s only. Just to save .s also, it's stop doing that one. .s, okay, we have saved. Okay, nothing else. I do not have to add it to my project, so that you add to existing files. You can click on this also, or else you can do it of your own in different way also. Let's see, ad something you will written there, ad no ad yes. Okay, just to click on okay, add it. Okay, that's enough. Not necessary to worry. You don't click on it, is added here. Okay, just look at here in this. Okay, just to click on this one, just okay, now we have completed. Okay, let me debug this one, whether we return the code in the right or not. Just to open, close. First you save it. You have the debug option here only, one of the button here. Even you can do it, right click on this one, open build, and build target also. Build target, here we can see the some error, one error is there, one warning is there. Okay, don't worry about the warnings, just to look at the error. Okay, let me see it, rectify this error. Okay, very small errors are there, because I am touching this instruction to the left hand, so that you make it as in the proper line. So save it. You can run debug from here itself. Okay, here you can observe the 0 errors, 0, 1 warning. You don't worry about the warnings, just look at the errors. Okay, now it is completed. Okay, debug is okay, now completed. No, sorry, building target is okay, completed. Build is over. Now you have to run it. Okay, means what, debug it. Okay, go to debug option here. Okay, then stop debug. You can click both on also. Start it. It is throwing some is it 32K value. This should be range in the size and all. It is asking. Don't worry about it. Just click on it. Okay, whatever the result we are getting, that should be in the 32K value. It is showing. Don't worry. Okay, just to click on okay. Okay, this pop-up window will go. Okay, now you can see. Okay, you can put the result is here. Okay, first R0 is what, 0, R1 is 0 earlier. Okay, we are not at all started running the program. Let me run this program. Okay, while putting the some breakpoints. Okay, even you can do it here also. Okay, breakpoints of the one run to cursor line. Okay, do it on the cursor line and click on F10 always. It's going to change value, just look at. Okay, I'm putting the F10 here. Here you can see here, earlier it was what, A, now it's in the A, 10 plus 5 is what here, 10 plus 5, 15, it should be 15. Okay, let's see how I get the result or not. Let me debug it. Start debug once again. Put on the run cursor type. Okay, we'll see that one. Okay, whether the result we are getting at F, we should get the F, no? 10 plus 5 is what, F only, 15 is nothing but F. So we'll be getting or not, we'll see one by one. Okay. F10. Just look at the how it is going to be changed. R0 was what here? 0. Okay, now it is to be what? Holding this what value? 10. Okay, we have taken only what here? R1 and R2. So R0 is not at all having any values here. Just put them once again. Okay, F10 will be having the R1, R2 is what? A and 5. This should be result what? 15 is nothing but F. Let's see. Once again press F10. It's nothing but the R3. R3 is what? F only. Okay, yes sir. Oh, we got the result as same for the requirement. Okay, addition of the two decimal values. 10 plus 5 is what? 15 is nothing but what? Here F only. So if you want to rectify this one, just you go for the programmer calculator in the online. Let's see whether we are getting the result correct or not. We will see one by one. We have taken this one. Okay, we have taken the what value? Just here R0, R1, R2, R3. Okay, you can check it. This one is the in the program calculator also. We will clear this one. Can clear this one just to clear it and add it. 10 plus 10, no? 10, 1, 0 plus 5, plus 5 is what? How much we are getting value here? 15, yes, no? 15. The decimal value of 15 is nothing but the that's in the binary value as what here? 0 to 15 is nothing but the F only. 0 to 9 is what? Decimals. Okay, 0 to 9. After 10, 9, 10 is considered to be A, 11 is to be B, 12 to be B, 13 to be C, and 14 to be D only, and 15 to be E, 15 to be 14 to be 9, 10 A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Yes, we got the result as the correct result. F, you can see, observe here, F is the correct answer. Okay, we have completed this one with the second program addition of the two decimal values with the for the kill of 7 with the kill of 4.2 with the ARM controller with the integrated lab. Don't worry, this is very simple lab we have for the CS students. You don't worry. Anyhow, we will be doing the best projects experiments here. I will be trying to get the result in standard way. Don't worry. Okay, all the best students. Study well.